Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 73-79 Newell Street. This is Unit 75, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a second floor updated renovated 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. And we're going to begin our walkthrough here right in your centralized living space. So as you can see, you got a freshly cleaned carpet flooring in the living area that continues to your 2 bedrooms. And on top of that, the entire unit houses a fresh coat of paint. You'll notice in each and every room it looks great. You have the main entryway to this unit housed in here as well. Of course, with it being centralized, the living area basically leads to all other rooms. And overall, a nice wide open living space you have here. Plenty of opportunity for all kinds of furniture setups. A lot of outlets for an entertainment system, TV, what have you. And on top of that, you got some wide open windows. Lets in a lot of sunshine and gives you some good street views. So that's essentially it for the living space. We'll go ahead now and check out the kitchen area, which is located over here to the left. And the living space houses a laminate wood flooring throughout. You'll see the same flooring in the bathroom. And plenty of kitchen cabinets down below and above, so lots of kitchen storage in this unit. As you can see, a little bit of countertop space too, with a couple of outlets for kitchen plugins. The appliances include the dual bin stainless steel sink. You have the 4-burner stove and oven, and the medium-sized refrigerator tucked in the corner over here. And last thing to note of the kitchen is that you actually have a rear entryway that leads to a small private deck. Very cool. All right, so that's essentially your kitchen area. Let's check out the bedrooms next. So both bedrooms are relatively the same when it comes to size and features. We'll check out the right side bedroom first. But yes, both bedrooms, of course, like I said, house a freshly cleaned carpet flooring, fresh paint, your own closets in both of these bedrooms. Recommended bed size for these bedrooms, standard full Excel would be perfect. I think a queen would be a tough fit in both these bedrooms. So again, standard full Excel are recommended. All right, so that is the first bedroom. Here's the bedroom to the left side. Should also note that you do have an electric baseboard heat throughout this unit. So that is both bedrooms. Last but not least, we'll look at the bathroom next. So bathroom again, housed through the living area. Same flooring you saw in the kitchen. Got a full tub and shower hooked up at the end of this bathroom. And over to the right side, you have a wide open sink area, a couple of cabinets underneath for some storage. You also have a small closet space in here for even more storage. And on top of that, you have this large mirror vanity up above. So plenty of bathroom storage available to you. So once again, this is 73-79 Newell Street, Unit 75, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate or property management will be located there as well. Thank you.